There goes Chloe. Riding her bike for the first time today. And here goes Sydney. Look at them. Riding their bikes. You gotta watch where you're going, Sid. There you go. Look at you, big girl. You're doing so good. Look at you. Sid, look at you. Watch where you're going. There you go. Finally figured it out. What'd you say? Uh-oh. Bonk. What did you say, Chloe? You had to stop why?
Because I had to stop because my foot was starting to hurt.
Oh, your foot was starting to hurt?
And I turned it this way, it made me stop.
Yeah, when you go backwards?
When I see that slip away, I just go get some new shoes.
Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, you ready to go again?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go! Go! You gotta push real hard to get off that curb. There you go, Sid. Almost. You gotta push real hard. Okay, ready? Try it again. 1, 2, 3, go! Push real hard the other way, Chloe. Push real hard forward. Okay, I'm gonna have to help you. Ready? Ready, Chloe? Go! There you go. Ready, Sid? Go! Uh-oh, you stopped. You better go. Here she comes. Yep, and the kids learning to ride their bikes for the first time. Chloe, you're just a machine, girl. You can push forward. You just got to press forward on your pedals.
This way?
Yep, there you go. No, the other way. You can. Just keep trying.
You help me.
No, you can do it. Press down with your knee. Other way. Press the other way. Told you you'd get it. There goes Sid. Watch where you're going. Press the other way. There you go. You can do it. Almost. Push real hard. Whoa, Chloe. Keep going. Don't stop. You got it. So funny. Uh-oh. You keep stopping. You got to keep going. Uh-oh, you're all right. You okay?
I just hurt my leg.
Where at? Show me where you hurt your leg.
I hurt this one.
And show the camera where you hurt it.
I hurt it right here.
Show the camera where.
I hurt it right here and here.
And here, tell the camera, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, get back on and go. You're such a trooper.
I can't go.
1, 2, 3, go! Chloe! Yay! Push down. Other way. Push real hard. Keep going. Push real hard. Keep going. Push down.
I'm not good
There you go.
I'm not good
Sydney, you're so good. Look at you going so fast. You too, Chloe. You're really going. You gonna catch up with her? Uh-oh, she stopped. You put on your brakes. Sydney's going backwards. Uh-oh. She gonna make it? Nope. She's coming backwards. There you go, Chloe. You're doing the brakes and everything. Sydney, you think you're really good now? Are you good at it? You think you're gonna be able to ride like Papa now?
No.
Why not?
Because
why? You're good.
I don't want to.
You don't want to ride like Papa?
No. Help! Please.